Hello everyone, I'm Bria Zeider with Web Education Services, and I'm going to be talking to you about the 3 Main Street marketing musts. If you have a local business with a physical address, you want to step 1, claim your local SEO business listing. SEO stands for Search Engine Optimization. You want your company to come up at the top of a local Google search. So start with Google My Business, and then after that, work on Facebook. But make sure you post the same content because consistency is key. If you have a budget, claim your local listings through an application like Yetz. If you don't have a budget, just claim your business manually. Step 2, ask for reviews. Ask friends and family for a review if they have worked with you. People look at them. If it's a bad review, you'll know where to make it right. And if it's a good review, you know what you're doing right and you can share it with the world. Step 3, set up your blog. Regular content blogging increases site traffic. So try to blog once a week, but keep it conversational. Blog about business conversations you've had with clients, customers during the week. People are probably looking for the answer you have. And also write about local events and support your local companies. And of course, if you need help setting this up, you can find us at webeducationservices.com, or you can reach us at 727-222-6984. Thanks.